Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope that you all are enjoying the best of your health. Dear students, it's a class of English for the students of class 7. Dear students, we were studying lesson number 10 of your book, and we completed the lesson yesterday, and you were given the task to write the meanings of words that were given to you. So first of all, we will have a feedback. The students, this is the feedback to the previous task. This is word meaning activity. Words meaning, the first word was brief, that means short. Desire, wish. Deteriorated, declined. Emerged, appeared. Firmly, strongly. Motto, words. Progress, development. Ultimately, finally. The students, this is page number 117 of your book. This is reading for comprehension exercise A. Answer the following questions. These are 6 questions, students. You will write the answers to these questions, and after a while I will give you feedback. Now pause the video and write the answers to these questions, and after writing the answers you will once again watch the video and have the feedback. The students, this is the feedback. The first question: who gave the idea of Pakistan? Allama Iqbal gave the idea of Pakistan. Student, second question: what did every Muslim desire? Every Muslim desired the creation of Pakistan. Now question number 3. Why is Quaid-e-Azam called the father of the nation? The answer to this question: Quaid-e-Azam is called the father of nation because he is the founder of Pakistan. Question number 4. When did Quaid-e-Azam take oath as the Governor General of Pakistan? The answer to this question: Quaid-e-Azam took oath as the Governor General of Pakistan on August 14, 1947. Next question: what was Qaid's advice to the students? The answer: the Qaid's advice to the students was to devote themselves to their studies. And the last question, that is question number 6. Why did his health deteriorate? And the answer to this question is: his health deteriorated because of working hard for Pakistan. We have learned 21 rules and have completed this handwriting up to page 31. Now we are going to do some more work. First of all, I will show you. The students, this is rule number 22. I have written 4 words for you. This is fulfill, awful, ramtil, and useful. The students, you will guess the rule and then I will explain you. The students, this is for your convenience. Note the difference between these 4 words written with black ink and these four words with black and red ink. The students, this is rule number 22. The students, this is use and full. When we use full and till with some other words or some other syllable, we drop the last L or one L. The students, this is FULL. But when we join these two words, we remove or we drop one L. So this is USE, FUL, there is single L. Similarly, helpful, when these are two single words or different words, there are double L's, but when we join these words together, this has a single L. So this is helpful with single L. Similarly, ramtil, we write till with double L, but when we join these two words, so we write single L, ramtil with single L. Similarly, tormentil, torment plus till, we write till with a single L. So dear students, rule number 22 says, drop an L in till and full when written with another syllable. The students, this is rule number 22 given on page 32. Drop an L in till and full when written with another syllable. So dear students, I will write these words. The student, this is fulfill, कोई काम पूरा कर लेना. This is awful, history test, fail. This is awful, परेशानी का बायस है. Ramtil, some flowers, useful, फायदामंद होना. This is helpful. This is the load of the old woman, and this young man or boy is carrying this load. This is tormented, another flower. Careful, देखें काटते में ये खातून कोई सब्जी बना रही हैं, तो बी केयरफुल. वोफुल, गमगीन. The students, this is FULFIL, fulfill. I write again, FULFIL, fulfill. The next is AWFUL. This is awful. RAMTIL, ramtil. This is USEFU, and this is L, full, useful. And dear students, this is HELPFU and L, helpful. TORMENTIL, tormented. This is CARE, care. This is FUL with single L, careful. This is WOE, wo, and FU, full with single L. The students, now this is the time to give you homework, and the homework is write the answers to the comprehension questions. prepare dictation and write page number 32 of Iqra Joint Handwriting 3 and learn rule number 22. Okay students, now take care of yourselves. May Allah bless you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.